Good morning. I hope you are having a marvelous day. I'm glad to see the sun is back out. I hope you all had a great Mother's Day. If you forgot, take a second today and tell your moms and special ladies in your life that you love them and you're glad they're there for you. Let's get a look at our math for the week. There is already a video up going over your number sense for the day, so make sure you look at that. I'm going to help you in just a second with your story problem. We are on to Unit 2, Day 6, and we'll count up from there this week. You've got your 2s to practice one more time, because if you're good at your 2s, your 4 shouldn't be too bad. It's just double whatever the 2 was. And then you've got place value concentration. It's a new game, and there'll be directions up momentarily. Make sure that you watch it, because there are some things in there that we didn't quite get to in class. We covered a little bit in Chapter 1, but not fully until the chapter we just missed. So make sure you watch that so you know how to explain yourself as you play that game. All right, let's look at our story problem for the day. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see it better. Oops, got the bar in the way. Okay. It says the length of a school bus is 12 meters. If 15 school buses park end to end, what is the total length from the front of the first bus to the end of the last bus? Now, word of caution, I know some of you guys like to get sassy with your problems and say things like, well, there'll be space between the buses, so da-da-da-da. In story problems, don't get sassy like that. In life, yes, you may have to think like that, but in a story problem, go with the information you've got and draw me the picture that you're seeing. So, I've got, what am I looking at here? I'm talking about a bus and their length, which is measured in what? My measurement word here is meters. I know that's not one we use a whole lot, but it is a measurement. It's in the metric system. It's about like a yard. So we have the bus length is what we're talking about. I'm measuring in meters. So I've got my starting place. Conveniently today, our model drawing is going to be about like the story problem, and if I had just said draw a picture of this, it's going to look about the same. Because if you're thinking that you really just need a bunch of boxes that are 12 meters apiece, you're right. Because if I'm drawing this, if this was all of my buses, I know that the first bus is going to be 12 meters. And that the second bus will be another 12 meters. And the third bus will be another 12 meters. All the way up until my 15th bus at 12 meters. What I don't know is how much that makes. So you need to look at this problem. I've got a repeated round of 12, 15 times. So you need to figure out what that math looks like. Put it in your sentence form. Remember to make sure your sentence form has a meter label in it. And then make sure your teacher gets your explanation for the day. Okay? Have a great day.